Welcome to the Affiliate Marketing T20 series. This is over number 1, and in this video, I'll tell you what affiliate marketing is and the history and future of affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss on any overs of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series. Okay, so please grab your notepad and pen and take a lot of notes. This is going to be super awesome, so please stay tuned, and I'd request you to again subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so let's jump in. I bet you have heard affiliate marketing this, affiliate marketing that. There is a lot of confusion about what actually affiliate marketing is in our country. It has got a bad rap, so I'll clear the air and tell you what actually affiliate marketing is. Okay, so the simple definition of affiliate marketing is: affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's products through your unique affiliate link, and if people click on your link and buy, you will make a commission. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say you are promoting a laptop. Okay, the cost of the laptop is, let's say, 75,000 rupees, and the commission per sale is, let's say, 10%. Okay, so for each sale you will make 10% of 75,000, which is 7,500. Clear until now? Perfect. So okay, I'll adjust the screen. Perfect. Okay, so now let's say you grab the affiliate link of the laptop, you promote it to your audience, and let's say you generate 3 sales. Okay, so since you made 3 sales and since you'll make 7,500 per sale, you had a total earning of 3 into 7,500, which is 22,500. Okay, let me give you the example again. You promoted laptop whose cost was 75,000 rupees, and for each sale you'd make a commission of 10%. So for each sale you made 10% of 75,000, which is 7,500. Okay, and let's say you grabbed your affiliate link, promoted it to your audience, and made 3 sales. So in all, you made 3 into 7,500, which is 22,500. Okay, so this is the simplest affiliate marketing model. Okay, so if this is clear, please type clear in the chat box. Perfect, thank you. So if you have understood it, please type yes in the chat box and we'll move to the next section. Perfect, thank you so much. Okay, so now you have understood what affiliate marketing is, and you also understood it through an example. Now I will tell you how affiliate marketing came into existence. I know this is a lot of theory, but to break the rules, you should understand the rules, and these are the roots of affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'll jump into the history of affiliate marketing. So the history of affiliate marketing is divided into eight crucial phases or 8 important milestones. Okay, so the first one of them is 1989. In 1989, William J. Tobin started affiliate marketing for his online PC flowers and gifts shop. Okay, 4 years from starting affiliate marketing in 1993, Tobin had made a revenue of $6 million per year. In 4 years, he made a revenue of $6 million through affiliate marketing. Okay, sorry, his online shop, PC Flowers and Gifts, made a revenue of $6 million per year. Then, in 1994, 2 things happened. Okay, in February, CD Now, which was launched by 2 brothers, William Olim and I don't remember the second brother's name, they launched the Buy Web program, where they encouraged people or bloggers to list or review albums on their websites and have a link so people can click and buy. So when people clicked on the link, they went to Buy Web, and from there they bought music albums. And once they did it, the blogger through whose link they made a purchase, he or she made a commission. Okay, in June 1994, cookies were invented by Lou Montulli. So what is a cookie? I'm sure you would have heard cookies many times. So in simple words, cookies are files that store your information. Okay, they store information such as your preferences. Let's say you are on an e-commerce site. You go to Amazon, you type t-shirts under 500, you scroll through the list and you exit. So your information, your preferences, whatever you searched is all stored in cookies. Okay, so cookies include your preferences, your language settings, your information, and so on. I'll give you another example. Let's say you visit a website and you changed its language to Hindi. So when you change the language from, let's say, English to Hindi, this information will be stored in cookies. So when you visit the website again, the site will by default load in Hindi. Okay, so this is done through cookies. Okay, now moving ahead, in 1995, William J. Tobin's affiliate program had more than 2,600 affiliates. Okay, around 2,600 affiliates. Then in 1996, Tobin applied for patent on affiliate marketing, and in the same year, in July, Amazon Associates was born. Okay, so Amazon affiliate program is Amazon Associates, and it was launched in July 1996. So this was a milestone year for affiliate marketing. Then moving ahead, in 1997, Amazon Associates applied for a patent on affiliate marketing components. Then in 1998, ClickBank and CJ Affiliate were born. CJ Affiliate was previously known as Commission Junction. Okay. Then 2000 was another milestone year for affiliate marketing. Two things happened. In February, Amazon, who applied for patent in 1997, got the patent, and on October 31, 2000, Tobin was issued the patent number 6141666, which he had applied in 1996. So that was the brief history of affiliate marketing. If you want, I'll zoom out so you can take a screenshot. Perfect. So this was about the history of affiliate marketing. We saw how it came into existence and how it grew. But what is the future of affiliate marketing? You would have heard on social media that affiliate marketing is dead, but is it? I'll share two things. Number one, affiliate marketing will be a $27.78 billion industry by 2027. Today is Feb 7, 2024. In 3 years, affiliate marketing will be $27.78 billion industry. And if you are still paranoid and skeptic, let me share something. In India, affiliate marketing will reach $835 million in revenue by 2025, which is next year. This is the power and potential of affiliate marketing. So if you think affiliate marketing is dead, I'd suggest you to reconsider, because from the stats, from my experience, I see otherwise. Affiliate marketing is just, I think, born in 89, now is 2024. Affiliate marketing is just 35 years old. It is still in the infancy stage. It has a long way to go. And you feel or you think you want to earn money through affiliate marketing, I want to ask you a question. Do you want to learn affiliate marketing? Do you feel affiliate marketing has the potential to help you achieve your income goals? Do you think you can promote your favorite brands and make an income? If yes, I'd request you to join my community by clicking the link in the description. I'll also pin it, so it will be the first link in the description, in the comments box. I'll also pin the link in the comments box, so you can click the link in the first comment and join my community. Okay, so this was about the first over. In the first over, I covered what is affiliate marketing. I gave you an example, and I also shared the history and future of affiliate marketing. So that's about it. That's about over number 1 of the affiliate marketing T20 series. If the first over provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And I'd request you to share it with people who need help with affiliate marketing, who need help with understanding affiliate marketing. So that's about this video. Please share your takeaway in the comments box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.